I'm going to show you the relationship between work order and activity. Now we go to an equipment number 2, and we create a work order. As you can see here, we have 2 activities with the urgency of 300%. So let's assign them to a work order. And continue. And we assign them to our demo technician and release the work order. You can see here, work order 66 is pending. So let's go back to equipment number 2 and see what happened. Let's create another work order. As you can see, the highest urgency now for an activity is 150%. By this, the highest urgency is always there present if it hasn't been assigned to a work order. So the activities will vanish from this list if they are assigned to a work order. So if we now go to the work order overview, we can now abort this work order. It has the same effect as if the technician would have closed the work order and not set these activities done. If we set this activity then to reviewed, the activities will be freed again and will be part in the machine. Just for demonstration, I will abort this work order. So I aborted this work order. I go back to equipment number 2, and in the create work order I can see the 2 activities that have the urgency of 300% are back in there. I can now assign them to another work order. So beware that if you assign activities to a work order, they are not present in the system. They wait for the technician to work on them, or that you review this work order.